Hey folks, this is Will with MarineMax here in Jacksonville Beach. Today I'm going to bring you the new Harris Crown 250. The new 250 came out in 2024 and they have an all new redesigned fiberglass molded sides as well as the new Apex fiberglass tower. You can tell by the front of the boat here that the boat is extremely sleek and sporty designed, sits very low in the water with a much more aggressive masculine feel when it's in the water. As soon as we get on board, we're going to start going through some of the features that makes this Harris such an amazing boat. Up here in the bow, you're going to see some great seating arrangements. Over here, we have a lot of great double-stitched vinyl interior. You have a nice collapsible armrest here that locks up into place, as well as an opposing armrest on the opposite side. You have tons of cup holders and a remote phone charger, which is great and real handy to have on board. As we move back further into the main salon area, Harris provides you with a great disposable table that you can stow away when you're not needing it, and it's a hard surface so you can cut on it, which is a great benefit. They also provide you with twin trash cans back here for more storage, keeping trash off the boat. As we move over to the helm area, which is such a beautiful helm, you'll notice that it has two great large Simrad displays. Those Simrad displays will help you integrate everything on the boat as well as manage all your JL audio systems, your engine, everything on the boat can be managed through those new systems here. And then as we move further in the back, you'll notice you have great collapsible seating. If you want another helm station up here, this pops up automatically. And the great thing about this boat, which I love to show out, is these power backrest for the sun pad in the back. You can maneuver both sides electronically, as well as you can raise up the leg rest so that gives you more of a comfortable seating arrangement. As we look up towards the bow, look up towards the top here, you'll notice this new tower. Now this is a fully integrated fiberglass tower that molds in with the rest of the boat. It's new for Harris. Has nice skylights, built-in JL 6.5-inch speakers, as well as a nice solid bimini top for the back. As we move all the way back here in the transom, you're going to notice this really robust tube tower. This is tube rated, so you can pull any size tube behind here without any concerns. And again, to get this boat up and moving, we're powered by a Mercury 350 V10 Verado. Great motor, and it's available today, so please come on by and see me. My number is 904-780-1603. Ask for Will. Love to see you soon. Take care.